Today, I will show you the safest and cleanest way to delete all data from your C drive on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This method completely wipes your files, removes all apps, and reinstalls a fresh copy of Windows without using any risky commands. First, open your settings. You can do that by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. On the left side, click System, and then scroll down and select Recovery. Under the recovery option, you'll see Reset this PC. Click the Reset button. Now choose Remove Everything. This tells Windows to erase all personal files, all apps, and all settings from your C drive. You'll see two options, Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Both options wipe your C drive, but Cloud Download gives you a clean, fresh Windows image from Microsoft. Choose the one you prefer. Next, click Next. Windows will now show you a final review that everything on your C drive will be permanently deleted. Click Reset to begin. Your PC will restart. It will wipe the entire C drive, remove all files, and reinstall Windows automatically. At this point, the C drive has been completely wiped and rebuilt from scratch.